All right, number, I think this is 17. Yes, solve the system using an equivalent system. There are actually many, hopefully you realize by now, many different ways to solve systems of equations. You can use matrices, substitution, elimination. So really use the one that you're most comfortable with. For this one, where I'm most comfortable is when there's no decimals. So I'm actually going to multiply the entire first equation by 2. And that will double the 2.5 to 5 and the 1/2 to 1 and the 5 to 10. That'll give me nice whole numbers to work with. And I know I'll use elimination here. I know I need one of these variables to cancel out. So I'm going to make this a -2. And that will allow me to get rid of the decimals, and then it's also going to let me eliminate one of my variables right away. So -2 times 2.5x is going to give me -5x. -2 times -1/2 is going to give me a +1y, and 5 times -2 is -10. And then the second equation I'm just going to write right underneath it. I'm going to go ahead and add those together. -5x plus 2x is a -3x. 1y minus 1y will give me a 0. And -10 plus 1 will be -9. And I'm going to divide both sides by -3. And I get x equals a +3. Now, for a lot of the other questions, you needed to find an x and a y. But if you've continued to read the directions, the solution to the system of the equations above is xy. What is the value of x? So they only want to know the x value here. So I'm just going to go ahead and say answer is A.